This department has produced about 30 PhD scholars so far and about 200 masters scholars and about 6,000 bachelors of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering department is having bachelor program in mechanical and master's program in mechanical system design and tribology. I am Professor Sheikh Nazir Ahmed. I have joined this Department of Mechanical Engineering on 10th of April 1987 when I was only a Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering. In 1990, I have acquired master's degree from IIT Madras in the field of aerospace engineering on aircraft wing vibration. In 2004, I have acquired PhD degree from Aerospace Engineering, IIT Kanpur on smart structures, and the project was sponsored by Indian Space Research Organization.
I am Professor M.F. Vani, Professor Mechanical Engineering Department and in charge of High Temperature Tribology Laboratory. I have been working in this department for last 35 years. I have established one of the best laboratories in tribology in India, and we have developed the laboratory wherein we are able to develop the materials of our own, metallic materials and coatings, and then we test these materials in our laboratory. We conduct all tribological tests in our laboratory, and this laboratory is also known in the scientific world as High Temperature Tribology Laboratory. We have produced 13 PhDs in this laboratory and more than 100 MTech theses in this tribology laboratory. We have installed state-of-art equipment in the laboratory of tribology, and this tribology laboratory is also among 5 laboratories in India. This laboratory has already done MOUs with some advanced universities of the world, including Texas University and with other universities. We have got international and national collaboration in the field of materials. Tribological tests which we are conducting in our laboratory are unique in India, and this is the only laboratory in India which has low temperature as well as high temperature facilities. We have got the FIS scheme which we implemented, and we have already done research projects at international level with most advanced universities in the field of materials.
My name is Dr. Sheikh Shahid Salim. I am an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I joined this institution in 1993 and completed my master's from IIT Roorkee in machine design in 2002. I completed my PhD in the field of tribology in 2018 under the supervision of Professor M.F. Vani. My research interests include high temperature wear testing, friction materials and biomaterials. I have completed and supervised 22 MTech theses in the field of tribology. At the institutional level, I currently am the chairman of the Central Research Facility Center, which houses some of the most sophisticated equipment like XRD, FESEM, sputter coating, the Raman spectroscope, etc.
I am Dr. M.S. Charu. I am presently Associate Professor at the Mechanical Engineering Department, National Institute of Technology, Srinagar. I worked on nanostructured lubricants and got my PhD in 2016 from National Institute of Technology, Srinagar. My research area is tribology, wear, nanomaterials, friction, and I successfully guided one PhD scholar in 2021.
I am Mohammad Hanif. I am Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I did my PhD work on running in VR modeling. I have currently 6 PhD scholars registered on me. They are working on frictional noise, biolubricants, and both on experimental and modeling. I completed one DST project on high temperature tribological characteristics on non-oxide ceramics as co-PI, which has been submitted. Now I have applied for one DST project on biolubricants, wherein I am interested in investigating the lubrication characteristics of bio-oils, particularly jet drop oil. I have also worked a little bit on neurosurgery modeling, which has been published. I have worked with some professors of SKIMS Medical Institute, the work has also been published.
Myself, Mohammad Mursleen, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Srinagar. I joined this institute in the year 1998. I did my bachelor's from REC Srinagar in the year 1996, master's in Mechanical System Design in the year 2007, and my PhD in the year 2018 with the title Debonding Analysis of Smart Beams under Mechanical and Thermal Loadings. My research interests are modeling and simulation of mechanical systems.
I am Dr. Mukundat Sharma, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. I have joined this institute on 1st November 2018. I did my BE in Mechanical Engineering from Bhopal, MTech and PhD from NIT Hamirpur. My research area of interest is materials tribology, optimization and modeling, nano coatings, design and manufacturing.
I am G.A. Harman. I am Professor HEG in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at NIT Srinagar. I did my Bachelor of Engineering from erstwhile REC Srinagar, that is NIT Srinagar, and my MTech from IIT Delhi, securing first position, and I did an integrated master's leading to PhD from University of Victoria, Canada. I have been associated with the Department of Mechanical Engineering for almost 41 years, out of which 36 years have been in teaching. I joined as an assistant professor in 1986, and then currently I am HEG professor in this department. My research areas are thin film lubrication, in which I have indigenously developed a test rig with the help of Ducom company. Another area is finite element method, and various other techniques like XFEM enrichment techniques have been utilized in computational mechanics, and 2 students are currently in this area of investigation, while 1 student has obtained doctoral degree in this program. Another area is erosion and erosive studies on turbines, that is hydraulic turbines, located in the region of Jammu and Kashmir, in which 2 students have done their doctoral program. They have taken the degrees, PhD degrees. In addition to this, there are students who are working in the area of fatigue and fracture mechanics, and all of them are in the final stages of their doctoral program. 7 students have already obtained doctoral degrees under my supervision. 8 students are currently under the scheme of doctoral program. In addition to this, 68 students have taken master's degree under my direct supervision.
I am with Prakash Sharma. I joined NIT Srinagar in 2016. My area of research deals with fluid analysis, especially with fracture mechanics approach. My research is in the area of reliability of microelectronic packages.
Myself, Mohammad Marufani. I am professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. I have been in this institute since 1986. I have done MTech in Energy Studies from Indian Institute of Technology, New Delhi. I have done my PhD also from the same center of IIT New Delhi. I have done my postdoctoral research in pollution control from the Queen's University of Belfast, UK. I have done research investigations in the field of soot emission control in UK. Here also I am involved in academic and research in the field of internal combustion engines with my students and research scholars. I contributed in this institute by developing a new IC engines IC engines lab for undergraduate and postgraduate students. I have been doing research with AVL Austria on behalf of NIT Srinagar. I was principal investigator for this research project.
My name is Babar Ahmed. I am a professor in the Mechanical Engineering Department of this institute. I joined the department in the year 1992 as a lecturer, as was the case at the time. I did my PhD from IISc Bangalore in the area of micro-electromechanical systems. My work essentially involved the development of a capacitive micro-machined ultrasonic transducers, which would serve as an alternative to conventional piezoelectric ultrasonic transducers. We were actually looking to replace the piezo transducers in applications where contact with the surface was essential. We thought of a capacitive micro-machined ultrasonic transducer, which is essentially based on silicon micro-machining, and we were able to successfully fabricate and characterize the device. But currently my research interests are in the areas of haptics and control. So right now we are basically working on dual rate haptics controllers, and we are essentially trying to analyze the stability limits of such controllers. I also work on nonlinear systems to some extent. So we, for example, an inverted pendulum, double inverted pendulum are actually areas of my interests. So I am in charge of the mechatronics as well as the dynamics lab of this department. In the mechatronics lab, we do work on projects which basically involve haptics and control.
My name is Saad Parvez, and I'm an associate professor in the mechanical engineering department belonging to the stream of industrial engineering. Well, I'm presently heading a center which we established in the year 2016. We call it as an Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship Development Center. Through this center, we are connecting the various departments of the institute to promote innovative ideas, helping the innovators of not only of this institute but the whole region. My research area is in the area of industrial engineering, value engineering, optimization, quality control and project management. This is the industrial engineering lab. So before the student actually starts his work in industries, so he need to know what exactly he need to do in the industries. So this lab helps him to simulate the activities vis-a-vis quality control is concerned, vis-a-vis facility layout and location is concerned, vis-a-vis material management is concerned. So all such activities we basically try to help him to simulate. We have different softwares which we are installed in the computers. One software is the Witness and the second is the SPSS. Both the softwares are basically simulation software where students are exposed to the industrial working in a simulation atmosphere.
I'm Adnan Qayyum, Professor Mechanical Engineering Department. I joined Mechanical Engineering Department in December '93. My field of specialization is experimental fluid mechanics and thermal engineering. I've done my master's from IIT Roorkee, my PhD from IIT Kanpur. I have developed 3 laboratories of the department. In the heat transfer laboratory, I have also procured thermal imaging cameras. So we can take complete temperature field information using these thermal imaging cameras. So in addition to these things, we are having state-of-art data acquisition systems which has been procured from National Instruments. We have procured thermal conductivity measurement equipments like KD2PRO for measurement of thermal conductivity of fluids, solids.
My name is Dr. Manoj Kumar. I am working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at National Institute of Technology, Srinagar. I have joined this institute in 2018. I did my BTech from Government College Firozpur and then MTech and PhD from NIT Kurukshetra in 2016. My research area includes the low and medium temperature application of the designated material, so which is basically in the field of solar energy.
Hello, I am Dr. Mohammad Mohsin. I have been associated with this institute as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering since 2018. My area of specialization is material characterization and synthesis, and currently I am working on ultra high temperature and high entropy ceramics.
I, Dr. Harbir Singh Pali, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. I have joined NIT Srinagar in October 2018. I earned my PhD degree from Delhi Technological University in 2016. My area of research is renewable energy, diesel engine, utilization of biofuel and solar energy. Currently, I have completed one research project on the biogas that is funded by the TQ. I have guided 6 MTech dissertation and more than 20 BTech projects. Currently, I am guiding 5 PhD scholars, and presently I am the officer in charge of Applied Thermodynamics Lab in Mechanical Engineering.
Myself, Dr. Dinesh Vasudev Rathod. I am presently working in Department of Mechanical Engineering in National Institute of Technology, Srinagar. My area of expertise is in nuclear manufacturing with the help of using welding technology. I had done my PhD from IIT Delhi, and I had done my postdoctorate from University of Manchester, England. And presently I am working on dissimilar metal joining, residual stresses, its characterization.
I am Dr. Abhijit De, associated in the Department of Mechanical Engineering since 2018. Now currently I am working in the area of fabrication and characterizations of metal matrix composite, and recently I am working in the thin film and coating technology, also some tribological characterizations of metal matrix composites.
I am Dr. Sandeep Rathi. I am serving National Institute of Technology, Srinagar as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. My field of research mainly includes friction stir welding and processing, surface composites, additive manufacturing, hybrid manufacturing techniques, functionally graded materials, metal characterization, and so on.
Vanakkam, I am Dinesh Kumar Rajendran, working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering since 2021 March. My background is production and industrial engineering. My area of research focuses on welding and additive manufacturing. I worked on few research projects in collaboration with ISRO and IITs. Right now, I am also associated as a project coordinator in IID Center of NIT Srinagar.
In future, this department is aspiring for further more master's programs in the field of thermal engineering and in the field of production engineering.